The logo appears. WSU, Wichita State University. Text, Internships and Applied Learning. John Bardo Center. Alex Boylan hosts the college tour.
Mitch has already built an impressive resume through Wichita State's applied learning model, which is a driving force at Wichita State.
Text, name, Mitch Steele. Major, biomedical engineering with a minor in mathematics. Year, junior. Hometown, St. Joseph, Missouri.
Applied learning includes paid internships, research, clinical rotations, and more. Each student is guaranteed real-world experience in their field before they graduate, enabling them to make immediate and meaningful contributions to their employers. Tell us all about it, Mitch.
Mitch walks on a pathway outside a building on campus with another WSU student. Text, Mitch Steele, Internships and Applied Learning.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. Growing up, my mom said that she knew that I would be an engineer. I was mechanically inclined, always taking things apart to see how they worked, and I was a problem solver. I also wanted to be a doctor, and it wasn't until I toured Wichita State that I figured I could be both a doctor and an engineer. The College of Engineering and the partnerships on campus are unparalleled. I never imagined I'd get an opportunity to learn in such a cool environment. I've worked with many companies on campus, including GoCreate and WSU's National Institute for Aviation Research.
Mitch poses with an award he won.
Each internship has given me amazing opportunities to engage with the community, work with cutting-edge equipment and tools, and engage with peers and professionals in the field.
Mitch and another student discuss the machinations of a robot.
I also get to work with advanced technology like huge drones, autonomous robots, and even a robot coffee barista.
A bird's-eye view of the Arkansas River as it runs through the heart of downtown Wichita.
At Wichita State, located in Kansas's largest city, students can leverage more than 500 university partnerships and an extensive network to help build their resumes through applied learning and research opportunities. Even beyond Wichita, students intern all over the country at places like NASA, Apple, Amazon, with professional athletic organizations, political and government officials in DC, and more. Wichita State has helped me form lifelong connections with peers and business professionals while training on innovative technologies and programs to prepare for my career. Always ask questions, pursue what interests you, and ensure you're in an environment where those around you are helping you reach your full potential. Back to you, Alex.
Text, the college tour. Alex Boylan, host, at Boylan Alex.
Great advice, Mitch. Wichita State emphasizes paid applied learning as a means to help students offset the cost of higher education. In fact, each year, thousands and thousands of students earn more than tens of millions in wages through applied learning experiences. Incredible. Take care, Mitch.
The logo appears. WSU, Wichita State University. Text, www.wichita.edu.